We're taking the Ratrod to the dunes.
Oh, damn. Oh.
All right, you guys, before the race, before we take this out to the dunes again, we're gonna get a windshield put in because prevent all the sand from getting in. Also put some door seals in. All of it's right there because, man, these rattled just so much when we took it out and test drove it. So door seals in, windshield in, so I'm protected in the front. The doors don't rattle so much, but we're gonna get that installed. Gotta take these doors off, actually, throw them on these stands. It's the best way to put the door seals on, supposedly, so we're gonna give that a try. All right, you guys, the doors are off, and I do, in fact, it's kind of hard to see in this one. Let's move this one. Door strip, just lay it on there. It's pretty self-explanatory how it goes. But if you guys are doing 56 doors, this piece is on the bend right here. The two corner pieces are on the bottom, and the rest just follows all the way around. All right, you guys, this left-hand door is all weather stripped and taped down so it can hold and dry for a few hours. But now since we're done with this, we're gonna move to that. Get that done. Let it sit and dry for a while. So, I mean, yep. Before we do clean this, the weather strip adhesive directions tell you to clean everything. As you can see, I should definitely do that because there are spider webs. That's how long this door has just been sitting there. Right. Dusty. We're just gonna get it wiped down with some brake clean everywhere. Same with the adhesive. It's all ready. It can stick like it's supposed to. And then we'll lay adhesive down one by one like we did on this one, tape it all down, and wait for it to dry. Yes, I got both weather stripping all done. Adhesive laid down, taped down. So now we gotta let it sit for a few hours, make sure it dries before we get set on there. And we can throw the doors back on and get it prepped to go take it out again, so we don't get all that rattling anymore. Well, you guys, we got the glass installed. I actually did not personally do it. We just hired someone to come out, put the glass in for us, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good, actually. We're gonna end up doing a different kit later that doesn't require the chrome, because we're gonna use the chrome on a different project. But that's later on. Just for the race, it'll be like this, which is perfect.
Hey guys, guess what we're up to today?
We're taking the Ratrod to the dunes. We're gonna do a little bit more logging for the tune, test drive, see how it goes. We changed a couple things.
Yeah, we're gonna dial it in, getting ready to go crush Rudy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun time though. That thing just rips on the sand already, so with a perfect tune, whoo, it's gonna be fun.
All right, guys, we're here. Got the Ratrod the trailer, pulling it out. Gonna get some testing done.
It looks good.
See how she goes.
Everyone here is in like nice side-by-sides.
Everybody's gonna be wondering, what are these guys doing?
Yeah, we're just hearing this ratchet Ratrod.
We'll be the odd guys out for sure here.
Yeah, everyone's gonna be jealous though.
I know, literally. Okay guys, we're out here at Sand Hollow now. Last minute tuning. getting the truck dialed in for some ripping. Get out there and see how it goes and dial it in and prep it to go and smoke Rudy's Ratrod. We'll see what happens. Check it out, guys. We made it legal too. Got tags on it and a flag. So hopefully the park rangers don't give us a hard time out here. It's snowing already, okay. You got paddles, it'll go. Holy shit. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh. That thing was smoking. All right, Rudy, good luck. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, this thing is just bad as heck. It is so much fun. It's fast, all-wheel drive, light. Oh man, it's just too much fun. We are gonna be ripping around in this thing. Here we go, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Alright guys, done with our testing. Heading back to the trailer.
Oh yeah. Some really good testing, by the way. Really good.
Yeah, maybe we should have gone the other way. There we go. Nope, no problem. Right up it.
All-wheel drive, baby!
Yeah. Load her back up, take her to the shop, dial a couple more things in, and man, we're ready to go. How about you, Rudy? You ready to go?
Yeah, I don't think you're ready for this.
Let's do it.